scared you might be throwing money down the toilet by purchasing a home right now? With the current market shifting, is owning a home still considered a valuable investment? Hi, I'm Raysun Frost at Homes by Raysun with OMNI Homes International. And according to Investopedia, an investment requires putting capital to work in the form of time, money, effort, etc., with the hopes you will receive a greater payoff in the future than what was originally put in. Historically, over the past 25 years, home values have appreciated an average of 3.9% nationwide. So we can say from this statistic that owning a home is actually a valuable investment and not a liability. A liability would mean putting your capital towards something that is not likely to increase in value, like expensive cars, clothes, jewelry, the flashy stuff. Even though it might feel like it's not a smart time to buy a home, the stats show that home ownership is generally a valuable investment. Nationally, homes are still appreciating, which means they are still increasing in value. However, not at the rate they were for the past 2 years. Don't be alarmed, our housing market is actually normalizing. What has happened in the past 2 years was not normal. Homes were increasing in value at record highs. In fact, in 2020 and 2021, the data for home price appreciation showed averaged 15% nationwide. Remember, normal appreciation over the past 25 years was only around 4%. So historically speaking, the past few years were not normal. And now that we are decelerating in our market, what we're experiencing now is market normalizing. Deceleration is when home prices continue to appreciate, but at a slower pace than previous years. Which makes sense because normal appreciation is closer to 4%, not the record high of 15% that we recently saw in the last 2 years. So, if you're wondering if homeownership is a valuable investment, I trust the market statistics and expert opinion that yes, owning a home is a valuable investment. And if you plan to live in your home for 3 or more years, it's still a good time to buy a home that historically will appreciate in value over time. If you have any questions, I'd love to chat. I'm Raysun Frost at Homes by Raysun with OMNI Homes International. Just click on the link in the description or comments and let's connect. When you do what you love, people love what you do.